How to pay Milestone Credit Card. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. You have several convenient options to pay your Milestone Credit Card. If you most likely want the fastest and most convenient way, you can do it online. Firstly, log in into your Milestone account on the website. Navigate to Make a Payment section. Choose the amount you want to pay and the payment source. That is, either your checking account, saving account, etc. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the payment. If not, you can also make a payment via phone. You have to call the Milestone customer service, that is 1-866 453 2636. You will also have to provide them with necessary account information, so make sure that you have those info. If not, there is another way through your mobile app. You can log in into your mobile app and select on the payment option where you can add the amount to transfer along with the details of the recipient account. Which has brought us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.